Hello everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 24 of 30 tips in 30 days how to get stuff done. So today's tip is all around when's the best time of the day or the best time of the week for you to be most productive. Each of us has a productivity prime time. Mine happens to be first thing in the morning. If you catch me at 7 o'clock in the morning, chances are that I'm good to go to get lots of stuff done. But by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, hand me a cup of tea, followed by a glass of wine, because I'm done for the day. And if I have to be productive, if I have no choice but have to be at a very productive meeting later in the day, I have to really manage my energy and my focus to make sure that I can concentrate and give it whatever I have to do my best self, because that's not typically my best time of day. That's not my productivity prime time. So when is yours? Is it in the morning, afternoon, midday, late at night? I was on a call with a number of professional organizers last night, and we were joking about the fact that several of us were early morning people, and a group of them, there we go. So I was part of the early morning crowd, and some of the others were part of the more productive at the 10 o'clock at night crowd. Wow, that wouldn't likely be me. But it's different for everybody. So what is it for you? When is your productivity prime time? If you can figure out what that is, use it to your advantage. Use that time to get your stuff done, the important stuff, the time when you need to use your creativity and you need to be able to charge through with your prime time energy. I hope that's helpful, everybody. And I had friends here a few minutes ago. They were right there at the bird feeder. There was a whole pile of them, and I don't know where they went. They've just disappeared. Now, I do have some beautiful flowers I can show you. So that's what I have below me, beside me, and over there in front of me. And there's a few more around, but my friends have all disappeared. Yep, nope. I guess they just don't want to help out with the filming tonight. So everybody, I hope that's helpful. Use your productivity prime time, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye now.